welcome back. Another great Monday. One quick trade. I'm just going to show you this really quick because this is it so far in the day. It's almost noon. I might stop trading for the day based on this one trade that did very well for me. So as you can see, I have up HRL, Hormel Foods. So this came up on a scanner that I use. It's a VWAP and 200 moving average scanner. So I look for stocks that are moving up along VWAP but are approaching a 200 moving average. This is a 5-minute 200 moving average, not the daily one, which is a very popular moving average. This is just daily 5-minute period moving average, 200. So you see that during the day I got in right here because it was moving up along VWAP and then it was approaching this 200 moving average. And I usually wait till it gets about here and maybe take it up here near the 200 moving average because I hope for it to springboard. But I jumped in a little early, and the reason I jumped in a little early is you see on this chart, which is my 8 EMA and 220 SMA. I like when that crosses, when the 8 EMA crosses above the 20 SMA. It's usually a signal that something's about to happen. It's going to continue going in that same direction. So I saw this, and I got interested. I saw this moving along VWAP, and I got interested right here. Also, see, you want a lot of indicators in your favor when you enter a trade. The more that are in your favor, the more likely the odds that you're going to be able to get a good trade. So I got in at around 10:25. So on my this is a 15-minute candle chart. I got in right around here-ish. It was above this 10 EMA. I like the 10 EMA on a 15-minute chart. So it was above that, which is good. It was above, and then on my 30-minute, it was above that as well. See, you can see I got in my little indicator here. It was above the 10 EMA on a 30-minute chart. So everything was in my favor, which I really liked. So I got in, and look what happened right away. Shot up, this big candle, right? It shot up over 10 cents in this one candle, right towards the 20. Now, that kind of made me nervous because a lot of times when it shoots up, and it did have volume, but if it shoots up, even with some volume, it can regress really quickly. It didn't. It kind of faded a little just below 200. So I didn't move my stop up just yet. Then another quick bounce right back up to 200. Then it kind of went sideways again, and then it finally shot up to my target, which was 42.85. I got in at around 42. What was it exactly? 42.59. So 26-cent gain right there, which is all I was looking for because I was only risking. I got in here at 59, and I put my stop. I think I put my stop like basically right around 48 or 47, just below 50 cents, because you see this dotted line right here, if you could make it out on your screen, that's yesterday's close. And again, it was above the close of the day. Another reason for me to enter. It was above, so I had so many factors, and I love this wedge pattern. This is something that I've never seen it talked about much, but I love it when it's following the VWAP and approaching a flat 200 moving average. That's usually a good sign. So I got in and I got out all at once. This is all I needed right here. Now it could continue, especially like I said, I usually wait for it to get above the 200 moving average, and then get in here because I think it's going to continue through that 200 and continue going, especially since it has support from VWAP and the 200 at that point. So this could continue and be a really great all-day trade. But for my purposes, I just wanted in and out right here, and I got it. So that was a great trade. So if you're interested, if you have Trade Ideas, the software, and you're interested in that scan that I use, I can give it to you. It's pretty helpful. When I see patterns like this, when they pop up in the scan that look just like this, I'm very interested in it. So, and you can see it paid off. So it could keep going. I would follow it. So you can see it's kind of now riding the 200, which is good because now it's using it as support. I was considering maybe holding on to some shares until it got to around 43, but I decided now just get out here and make a good day of it, not risk too much. So that's it. So again, if you're a new day trader, hopefully going to be helpful to you because I've only been doing this for a couple of years now, and I've been doing it full time now. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want that scan, let me know. I'll give you the link for it. And that's it. All right, guys. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Take care.